This is lock 122 by Bicardi, and this is the key. It turns. To try to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick top of the keyway 1.3 millimeter tension tool and the standard hook, multi-pick standard hook in 0.4 millimeters or 15 thousandths. So nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might drop 2, 2, 3, 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 opened it up. I must have just I must have set one in the beginning and not realized it. But that is number 122 by Bicardi.